Scotty, do you like The Simpsons? Scotty, do you like The Simpsons? There's Madge. There she is. Scotty, do you like Madge? Get her. Get that, Madgie. Get her, Scott. Madge. Get her, Scott. What is it? Is it the blue hair? You don't like blue hair? Well, what is it? You don't like Madge? Can I have her? You don't want me to have her? You don't like Madge? Get her, Scott. Get her. Get it. Just get her. You're just not a Simpson fan. I understand. Oh, my. Poor Madge. I think she's dead.